wait.
Like, I had one thing, guys.
Are you whispering?
No. Hey guys, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls.
And we're back doing another What Can We Make for No Money challenge.
You know when you're feeling a little empty in the pockets and you're just like, I still want to DIY, but I don't want to spend any money.
I know last time we did this, you guys loved it, but a lot of you said it like wasn't fair because we have so much to work with. It's still a challenge for ourselves though, because I'm always like, I've seen that stuff before. It's not interesting to me. I don't know what to make with it. So hopefully it'll entertain you either way. So this time we're switching it up a little bit. Instead of having 3 different categories we must use stuff from, everything's fair game, but we're throwing in one wacky item, and that is the pipe cleaner.
Yeah, why did we buy these?
Every time we clear out the drawers, we are always like, what can we not keep anymore? And every time we're like, oh, but maybe we'll use them, so let's keep them.
Now we have this and we don't use them, so we're gonna have to incorporate it into this DIY.
We also decided that the theme would be to make a handbag or a bag or a clutch or a purse or something. I'm going away this weekend and I could use one, so why not?
Why not? All right, we're gonna give ourselves 2 hours. I mean, I'm just assuming we're making this purse. We might have to fight over the sewing machine, so that'll be
And we have our little vlog cameras so you can see up close what we're actually working on. Daniela, can you start a timer? 2 hours?
Starting now.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, I know that I'm gonna come to the flowering drawer first because could be the make or break it. I feel like we already did sequins, so nope.
I was so excited for this to be a long chain. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Okay, Becky was checking out the chain, and look what I have over here. I used the chain for the Dollar Tree DIY. I can take these apart and use them.
Are you whispering?
No.
Oh, I found the good looking ones. Okay.
We said we had to use these ones, Becky.
No, we said pipe cleaners.
We had this on the table.
Okay, fine, whatever. I'm gonna make it work and it's still gonna be glamorous. Okay. Now to make something.
Let it speak to you.
Tell me about yourself. Okay, my plan is to do something with gold hardware, but these rings are silver, so I'm gonna paint them, or paint one to match.
Okay, do I get like extra points if I use a lot of pipe cleaners?
Hey, we'll let the audience decide.
Okay guys, update. I have my pipe cleaner like woven together to make it thicker because I'm actually gonna be using the pipe cleaner for the wire of it so that it can kind of keep my bag a little bit sturdy. I'm gonna steal that sewing machine from you. Oh my God. Can we get a sewing machine that isn't from the 80s?
Sewing machine company, any one of you, sponsor me.
This is like literally my grandma's sewing machine. Sorry, not sorry actually.
Insert patch here.
Ooh, get our patches, guys. Mine would totally work.
No bonus points. It's cool, but no bonus points. So the plan kind of is to make a little bag out of whatever this black like vinyl is, and then make a flap that comes over like that. Kind of need this guy, and he's out of commission at the moment.
Terry. Hey, let's insert my fancy pipe cleaner wire thing. Daniela, what's the time?
An hour and 20 minutes.
Kind of like screwed myself over though by making it on this fancy angle because now everything else I do has to be angled and it's like 8 times harder. Should have just made a rectangle.
Imagine you could bottle up and sell creativity. Imagine you could bottle up and sell smarts. Rich people would just be the smartest, most creative, best,
Yeah.
everything. I mean, I feel like that's how the world goes anyways because the rich people can educate themselves with schooling and stuff. That wage gap though. Anyways.
Can I have the sewing machine back? So my painted ring turned out looking identical to the non-painted one. I don't know what happened. It didn't stick or something, so I guess I'm going with a silver theme now. But I found this black chain when I was researching for silver stuff, so I might just go with this vibe. Researching.
I'm just gonna use my extra time maybe and add some of the new Sorry Girls patches now available at sorrygirls.com/shop maybe? Link below.
So I'm pretty much done too, except for this pipe cleaner situation. So I need to make something. that's gonna work.
Giving this Band-Aid like little freckles. Speaking of, you can now get like tattooed freckles, like the same way you can get your brows done. As somebody with freckles, I roll. Like I had one thing, guys. I don't get fake eyelashes. I don't get any of that crap. I just like have freckles.
Is that the way blondes feel about everyone else that dyes their hair blonde?
Probably.
How long do we have, Daniela?
31 minutes.
Oh.
Well, we'll be done with that.
Okay, so my plan for this pipe cleaner, I can't even be secretive because you're literally right here. I'm gonna make like a little bag charm, like a la Fendi things that are overly priced.
Oh, cute.
And thanks, and we'll see if it works out.
Fenty, Fenty,
Tenty.
Fetty.
And that bags cost $10.
While Becky finishes up her DIY, I can tell you guys my original idea. So I was going to, so you can just judge me based on that. If you don't like this idea and you
Wait. Let me tell you 5 other great ideas. If you like any of those, I win. So we both finished with how much time is left, Daniela? Like
19 minutes.
pretty good.
and we weren't rushing. So what'd you make?
This really interesting bag. It's like a clutch and it has a little teddy bear charm on it. I'm not sure, like the black and the red and the chain is giving me like a pretty punk vibe that I wasn't going for, but we ended up this way. Let me know, what do you think?
Super creative. I love this like back flap. Although this reminds me a lot of your last made with nothing DIY.
If you do something well, keep doing it.
Last time I got to like pick it apart, but
Do your worst.
really good. So I made this like almost like a folder. I think
It's
that's
really
what it's called,
cool.
like folder bag. We got some snaps in here, added some patches. Cute. I feel like you could like draw on this bag, like do whatever.
It's very summery.
Yeah, it's very like, I'm going to the beach.
Yeah, very cute. Well, we will probably have a poll like we do in our other challenges of whose was your fave, or tell us in the comments below.
Let me know what theme you guys want for the next one. I know you guys want like a chop style. We're literally like, I'm afraid to do that though. Like if we had like 5 things, like a pipe cleaner and a piece of wood and whatever, like I just don't even know how it would turn out. I mean, maybe it would be amazing, but. Okay, thanks guys for watching. If you like it, make sure you like it.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And if you want to get a patch, link in the description. Okay, bye.
Bye!